Everybody curls. Natural hair making money. Everybody curls. Same little shorty from the
Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, or if it's your first time, welcome back. As you already know, this video is about Eco Styler olive oil and shea butter, black castor oil, and flaxseed professional styling gel or whatever. I had to order this because I never saw it in none of the beauty supply stores where I'm at. I'm in a DMV area, so if you know one in this area, just mention it below, comment in the comment section. But I ordered this, I looked it up on Amazon and I ordered, and I hate paying a lot of money for Eco Styler gel because it's so cheap when you find it in the store. But I paid $11 on Amazon. They might have it for cheaper now, but yeah. So this video is about this, and what I can say, this will now be a staple in my wash and go routine because this is my first day hair. So I use this with Shea Moisture's Omega 369 Rescue and Repair Curl Defining Smoothie. So I washed my hair and then I, conditioned my hair, combed my hair out, rinsed it out with cool water, and then I began my styling process. So what I did was I raked this in my hair with my fingers, just raked it all in or whatever, trying to get all my strands, but I'm too lazy to actually section off my hair to do it. So I just rake this in my hair with my fingers, and then I rake this in my hair. And what I noticed about it was the consistency felt like it was a little thicker a little bit than the other Eco Styler gels. Like my olive oil ones seems thinner, and the cocktail, like all my other ones, for some reason to me seems thinner than this one. But I think the Jamaican black one, what's the black one? I can't think of it right now, but the black one felt like, it seemed like it's almost like this type of consistency as this one or whatever. The smell was nice. I'm gonna call you right back because I'm shooting this little YouTube thing real quick, and I'm gonna call you right back. Alright. Alright, y'all, I'm back. So the smell was nice and everything. Yeah, the smell nice, real nice. It smells so good. It smelled good, and it worked wonders for my hair. Like my hair, so I did my hair, as you can see, today. I did it today, and I left out because I had to do a baby shower for my cousin. So I went to the baby shower, and I went out with my hair wet, and I just let it air dry. So now I came back in the house to show you all how my hair dried, how it looks. So when it was dry or whatever, I always take oil to pick out my cast and to, remove any gel cast that may be on my hair. But this gel actually didn't leave any hard cast. Like my hair wasn't left hard, my hair was left soft, bouncy, and my curls are super defined, and my first day hair is big as if it's like second day hair. So I'm happy about that too. As you can see, yes. Can you see me? I'm too tall. Did I squat down like that? Ooh, ooh. Anyway, so yeah, so I can say that would I use this product again? Yes, because I just said it's gonna be a staple now in my wash and go. Like, I love it. So no complaints. It's a review that people on my Instagram wanted to see. So here's the review. I love the product. I'll post pictures of my hair with this, my wash and go using this. But yeah, so that's basically it, and I thank y'all for watching. More videos to come because I've been a little lazy, but I'm about to step it back up. So we all good, right? If you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and thumbs up, like my video, and comment if you have any questions. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day.
same little shorty from the block. Same little shorty who big child.
Shorty.
The same little shorty who don't wear tracks. Everybody hated on and then he'll pull right back. I'm a wash and go. Monday.